So this is how I built an MVP or a minimum viable product with AI for a problem that I was facing. So the problems that I was facing were: number one, not being able to find the right people to sell my services to. Number two, not being able to do comprehensive research on their LinkedIn profiles and write personalized emails and messages for reach outs. And problem number three, not being able to find verified email IDs. If I sat down to do this work manually, it would take me hours. The solution was automation, and the products that existed in the market were either too expensive or they were not solving the problem for me. That is exactly when I decided to solve my own problem by building an MVP that would do just one thing: find the right people based on the search query that I entered. And the information should have their names, their company names, their locations, and their correct LinkedIn profile URLs. And I should also have the ability to save those people in the form of lists. Then I set out to find the AI tools that would help me build this MVP when I stumbled upon Agent.ai. Now, Agent.ai is a platform that helps you build agent workflows to solve specific problems, and it even connects to other apps and tools if needed. I built out the feature that I wanted of finding people with the help of the agent assistant that Agent.ai offers, and then I was able to build this whole feature with just prompting. The good part here was that I was able to use Google search to do credible searches and not depend on LLMs, because in my experiments I found that LLMs hallucinated and gave the wrong information, including wrong names and even wrong LinkedIn profile URLs. Once the agent workflow was ready, I was able to test it out with queries like find CEOs of tech companies in Bangalore, and it gave me the correct results. It worked. Then I wanted to go a step ahead, where I wanted to have a UI, the ability to log in, the ability to save those people in the form of lists, and also a chat interface. That is exactly when I went to Lovable and built this UI and built all these necessary features, and also connected Agent.ai to Lovable with the help of prompts. So now I had the complete system built out, which is the front end, the UI, along with the ability to log in. We also had the logic running on Agent.ai, and also a database, which is Superbase offered by Lovable, where I was able to save all the important information at one place. I tested out the final implementation and launched it. It's called Feat.Leadgent. Now, the whole process of building this MVP took me not more than 1 to 2 days. So that is the power of building today. You just need to have the solution to the problem in mind, clearly defined, and you will be able to build the first version of your product in no time. That is the power of AI. So the question is, are you building today?